Good evening, everyone. Hold on. Testing. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the convocation ceremony of Drones for Development, class of June 2020. And I congratulate all of you for doing amazing in this entire course. Today, we are coming to the convocation ceremony, and I'll be giving out certificates to you. And I couldn't be less happier than what I am today. Thank you so much. You have really made me extremely happy. I feel extremely accomplished and extremely contented with whatever we did this entire month. And also, thank you for completing all the assignments very well. You know what? Today I was not reading, I was listening to the audiobook of Think and Grow Rich. So there was one thing which was said in that was that when you really want something, don't just think about it, but also write it down. And once you write it down, you should make it kind of a plan and read it out aloud every day. And this is a habit which everybody should do. And, many times we kind of explain ourselves intellectually that, no, it's okay. I am not a kid to be writing things down and I can just remember. And sometimes we talk about, let's say that I don't really need to repeat it every day loudly. Am I really a kid? No, that's not possible. But the most accomplished people in the world write down their plans, look at it every day, remember it every day, and make it a kind of a daily wow for themselves. And I was looking at our assignments that we did. We started with day one, where we we came up with an idea that imagine that you have a drone port around you. You would be flying a drone, and where is the airport? So kind of figure out everything, and at the somewhere in between, we imagine that we want to be the CEOs of our company. And towards the end of everything, we even came up with an assignment where we said that let's create a logo. We created logo, we created tagline, we created a vision board, we created the why, how, and what exactly we want to do. For you, the path is entirely clear. That if you really persist on this path, I think you will be able to achieve it. And many of you have given me such amazing concepts in your business plans that you made for your supposed or imaginary organization, that and I can't really wait to see. So I had somebody, not just one person, many of you asked me later that what next, what can we do later. And we have come so far. We have been triggered for all these advices that we have got during this entire course, and we have visualized that how projects can happen and how drones can fly. We even created a company. Now what next? What next is create your company, create your business plan, actually go into the field, talk to the government, get projects, do it. And I would really love to see in the next 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, at least at least 10 of you should come up with concrete projects. Come back to this class. We will organize one more class if you want us to. And let's showcase what we did with the knowledge that we gained. And I really would like to see this entire wealth that we have created so far. And we're talking about development, we're talking about drones. If not drones, if any technology that you really believe in, go in for the development aspect at least, and we also we studied about human centered design. We started thinking about how communities live, what exactly their needs are, what do they expect. And we did a lot of planning, we did project design, we did budgets, we did risk management, so all of these things could be very important tools for you. And as I also told you during the course, that these things were not available to us when we started off. We wished somebody could have done this thing entirely with us. We wished we could have come across case studies. We wish we could have interacted with the world leaders so freely. Somewhere Flying Labs has really helped us come to this platform. But we wish that this could have done. Now that you have got this platform, I would be really amazed to see what you do with it after you leave this class tomorrow and you have your certificates in your hand. So while I'm talking to you, let me also open the folder where I have your certificates. And how many of you are excited to see your certificates? Now, I want you to unmute. and say yay.
Yay, mom.
Very
Yay.
Yes, of
yes.
course.
Let's
Yes.
make
Yes.
some noise. I'm going to put it into a grid view now. I would want all of you to put on your videos that we all can see each other. Yay!
Hello, everybody.
Great to see all
This is
of
my
you.
first graduation, actually. I missed my first graduation.
Amazing.
Hi, ma'am. How are you doing?
So good to see you all.
I'm with you for the first time.
Good, ma'am.
Yes,
So
yes.
happy to be here.
Hi,
Where are
Hi.
you guys? I want to see your faces. How do you look like? Okay.
Come
Just in
on,
case
talk to
if I
each
meet
other.
you somewhere.
Talk to each other. Introduce
Yes.
yourselves. This is a
Okay.
ceremony. This is a celebration today, okay? This is not going to
Yes,
be
today is big
formal talk.
celebration.
Yeah, minus the 5 minutes of boring talk that we gave. It will not be a boring
No,
talk
no.
anymore.
Is anyone here from any country that is close to Georgia? Country Georgia? No? Not even close?
No, most of them are from India and from Nepal,
Mm.
and we have from Africa, we have from South America, a lot of people. So we have about 31 people on this platform today. Trying to put on this grid view which I have, but anyway, it's not good to see. Anyways, so Panama is
We
not
have
close to
27
Georgia.
shy people.
Panama is extremely far away from Georgia.
Like everything is far away from Georgia. The countries that you want are far away.
No, just
No, Panama is not located to Georgia. I just read the message. No, it's even not close. No.
great. So let me show you your certificates. Who wants the first certificate?
Me?
Who has the highest grade and most desired?
Because today is my birthday, I want first. It will be the best and best gift
To
ever.
Shweta?
Oh, it
Shweta,
is.
it's your birthday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys, let's sing together.
Okay. Happy
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 birthday
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 to
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 you.
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 Happy
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 birthday
birthday
to
to
birthday
you.
to
you.
you.
Happy
Happy
Birthday
birthday,
to
dear Shweta.
you.
Happy
Happy
birthday to you.
Thank you.
Wish you many, many returns of the day.
Can you guys listen to claps?
Yes, yes.
Yes, the claps are working.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. I'll put on the screen sharing thing. Okay. Let's start with Shweta.
Congrats.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ruchi ma'am. Thank you, everyone. This is the really this moment of my life. I'm complicating from myself.
Okay, Shweta, so we want a 1 minute acceptance speech from you. Half a minute acceptance speech.
Sorry, pardon us.
We want half a minute acceptance speech.
Okay, stitch. Okay, little. Okay, anyway. First of all, I want to thank Therapeutic for the 100% scholarship. That's why I am here. And thank you so much, ma'am. You are really such a wonderful woman I had ever seen. And thank you, Amit sir, my colleagues, everyone. You all are really amazing persons. You all are so talented, so dedicated. I really love to work with you all. And I'm so blessed that I am one of the students of advanced coaching doing for development. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Thank you. That's
Great. Thank you, Shweta. We wish you all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks.
And now we have the certificate for Ashish Adil.
Hi, Ashish.
Ashish, are you there?
Ashish. Hi, is there?
Okay. Where is he?
He's listed in the call, but maybe he's missing.
Ashish, can we hear you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ashish. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's been so awesome journey with you, all of you.
Okay, so half a minute acceptance speech.
It's been a wonderful journey with you. Really, topic was interested. I am so curious. As in my subject also there is a drone, and we also do drone. We also do surveying with drone. So actually, I have used less time with drone, flying drone, but here I have learned so much applications. I hope I will apply in my project also, and hope more connections with you all, Ruchi ma'am, all of you. Thank you so much
Thank you so
for
much,
this
Ashish.
wonderful session.
Okay. The next we have is Ayushma.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see. Thank you so much for this certificate and this award. Like it's like a best moment for me, and I'm very happy because like when I first joined this course, I was like it would be very hard for me, but actually we keep on trying. This hard work pays off. This is all these things hard work pays off. So it was like very amazing experience meeting the mentors, learning from them, learning from all their experiences has built some leadership quality within us, and I will definitely apply this in my future and in my work, and I also say that I will share my experience to all my friends, and I'll apply in my college too. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So next we have Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu, are you there?
Hello everyone, I'm Abhimanyu, and these past 30 days, the 30 days which I spent were really great, amazing. I learned a lot of things which I never expected that drones could do. Amazing teachers, amazing connections, and overall, it's been a great journey meeting with you. Thank you very much for this.
Thank you so much, Abhimanyu. And the next we have Anna.
Hello, everyone. I'm Anna. And
Hey,
it was
Anna.
really, it was really nice this course and very challenging because we have to wake up really early. But I enjoy all of the course. So thanks, Dr. Ruchi, and all the classmates. Bye.
Thank you so much, Anna. Anna, and we also loved your speech in the final video. It was amazing. So next we have Anil Kumar. Hold on.
Hi everyone. I just recently came across drones and was completely fascinated by it. But I didn't know how to approach this. So I was really searching for like what kind of applications where drones are used, and this just came across. And within half an hour, I decided to join just like that. And I didn't know at the time that I was making a very good decision. Special thanks to Ruchi ma'am, Amit, and Sakshi. So, and all the presenters were done. It was a great opportunity. This is a great class, and I'm looking forward to use this in the future as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And the next we have Anisha Thapa. Anisha, are you there?
Hi, yes, ma'am. Hi, everyone. I'm Monisha.
Hold on. Let me pin you up here. Yes, now you can.
Hi, everyone. I'm Monisha. Lately, I was very fascinated by drone technicalities, and thus I approached for this course. And luckily, I got selected thanks Kerobotics and the team of the Kerobotics. Especially, I would like to thank all the mentors who provided such a huge lesson for us and about drone applications. I got to learn many technologies as well. I mean softwares that I had never been familiar to. And these 30 days were very awesome as well as interactive and interesting. I got to learn many things from this course, so I'm very thankful. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you every classmates over here.
Thank you so much. So next we have Arnab. Arnab, are you there? Amit, is Arnab there?
No, probably is not there.
All right. So we will move on to Vinita. Just hold on. Click on this. Yay, Benita. Benita Paudel.
So before I speak, I must thank Kerobotics and Dr. Ruchi, and along with other mentors and all the participants. You guys are like a family to me. I just feel like I'm blessed to have you, and I'm just amazed by this journey. And I must say, this is a time of departure. However, we'll meet in the upcoming new trainings. So yeah, it was a very amazing journey. I got to learn a lot about drones and their technologies, and a big thank you to Dr. Ruchi. So yeah, thank you so much for the certificate and awarding, and it was a great experience. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Benita. Okay, so next we have Carolina.
Hello,
Carolina,
everyone.
you? Yeah.
Can you?
Hi.
Hi. I'm sorry that I really watch all the classes on Facebook because of constraints with my work, so I didn't join most of the class, but I'm online. But I'm glad that I'm having the opportunity to see you all today. Thank you very much, Dr. Ritchie and Care Robotics, for the opportunity. This was an amazing course. As you mentioned, there's nothing like it online. So thank you very much for putting this all together. For me, my main passions are robotics and engineering for global development, and this was the perfect intersection between those two passions. So I'm excited for what comes next.
Thank you so much, Carolina. And by the way, she's also the topper of the class. Thank you for being the topper.
Thank you.
So even if you didn't come online, but you did an amazing hard work. Thank you so much, Carolina, for making it amazing. The next we have.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Yes. The next we have the next topper of the class, Mr. Dilip Kumar.
Me. Yeah. Well, thank you, Dr. Ruchi. Thank you, the faculty, Amit, Saksham, and other guys and other, guys who spent the time to, really come before us, talk to us, and share their experiences. It was wonderful, 30 days of great work, and you really kept us busy, Ruchi. So, but that was amazing, wonderful. And, I told you that why I joined this course. I'm actually in the government. I work with AAI, that's the Airports Authority of India. So I'm actually into drones regulations and stuff like that. So I thought I would probably be more, enlightened if I come to know about the various use cases and the problems the industry is facing. So that's the reason why I decided to join. And she gave me a scholarship as well, Ruchi. So thank you for that. So it was really, actually great to be with you. It was really educative, and I learned a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And everyone, I will, if I ever publish the assignments as a workbook, then Mr. Dilip's assignments are something which all we should learn from. Seriously, he had the best assignments in the whole class. And this is the reason I really feel that the knowledge and the experience that he has is going to really help us. And we really look forward to learning from you, sir, in the future, for sure. Thank you. And the next we have is David. David from Rwanda. David, are you there?
Yeah, he was there.
He was there. I think he left, or maybe his internet.
No, he's there.
I'm around.
Hey, hi, David. So let me say something about David to you before we start. David has been following me over the last 2 years, I think. Yes, David? And every time we do something, he even if it's a workshop, even if it's a seminar, even if it is something that we're doing in person, he expresses an interest of being a part of it. And then he says, unfortunately, I can't travel from Rwanda to India, but I would love to be a part of your courses. And the second quality which David has is, every time you send him an email, he will send an acknowledgement saying that thank you, well received. Always. And you must have noticed that even when we put in the assignments or the class notes, he would always put a note over there. Thanks, well received. So this is a very sweet gesture, David, and this makes you a really amazing person. Thank you so much. Now we would like to hear from you.
Yeah, thank you very much to give me this opportunity to participate in this training. I really enjoyed this training because it helped me not only in the drone industry, but also in the different areas, because I saw like different presenters, they presented the different skills. So I learned from them, and I wish to to put in practice what they taught us. This was also another opportunity for me because there is another course I did in the drone public health. So to attend this course, it was very good to me. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, David. Thank you for being a part of this course. And next we have John. John from Kenya. John, are you there?
No, probably.
Okay.
No, it's not.
Okay. So we have Kshitish Gupta. Just a minute. Let me put on the certificate. Hey, Kshitish. Are you there?
Kshitij. No, I'm not finding it.
Okay. Kshitish also gave us some amazing assignments, by the way. And we have Lakshmi Tiwari. Lakshmi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Just hold on. Hold on, let me pin you here. Hey, hi, Lakshmi.
Hello. Hello, I'm Lakshmi Tiwari. I'm from Nepal. Thank you for giving me a scholarship for the program. I have not ever experienced in online session also.
You have to put it here.
I have not get such online program. One of the most amazing, and Mr. Dr. Ruchi ma'am is one of the superb person I have ever experienced. Thank you so much. And it's the one of the most remembering and remembering session of my life. And I want to apply this knowledge in my drone technology and in other project also. Thank you so much. Thank you so much this session, and thank you so much our classmates and ma'am.
Thank you so much, Lakshmi. It was amazing having you here, Lakshmi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lakshmi, where are you from?
I am from Nepal.
Where in Nepal?
Nepal Bardaghat.
Where is that?
There is near border of India.
Okay, amazing. I really hope that you're able to do something for your town and for your village with whatever knowledge you've had. And we would really look forward to be working with you.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm also looking forward to working with you.
Thank you so much. Okay, so the next we have is Manisha Karki. Manisha, I hope you are there.
Namaste everyone.
Wait,
क्या मैं
Manisha.
visible?
Let me pin you. Where are you? Here. Manisha, there. Okay. Yes, Manisha. Let's hear from you.
Okay, namaste everyone. This is Iman Sakarki. First of all, I'd like to thank organizers for giving me this opportunity, for providing me scholarship. And this class was really very fruitful for me because I learned many new software and gained many new knowledge in between these. And Ruchi ma'am, you are truly an inspiration for us. And I'm blessed to be part of this family. Thank you.
Thank you, Manisha. Yes, please excuse me. I have my son around here and he needs to be settled down. I don't have that game. Can you ask Abhirada to put it in my mobile? I don't have it.
No, Free Fire.
Divyam, I'm in the class.
Free Fire. Free Fire. Free Fire.
Anybody knows what game is he talking about?
Free Fire.
I don't know what game that is. Can you please ask?
Free Fire.
I don't know how to find it. Go and tell
I think it's
Abhirada.
Free Fire.
What is that?
Free Fire.
Yeah, something like that.
That's another version of PUBG.
Go tell Abhirada to put it in my mobile. I don't know what that game is.
That's another assault.
Shooting game.
Free Fire.
I don't know how to
Yes.
put it there. You should ask Abhay. Please go. So next we have Mariam. Mariam, can we hear you? Where are you?
Just a second. Hello, everybody.
Hello,
I'm
Mariam.
here. Nice to see all of your faces, guys. Finally, we have a day that we can share everything with each other. And first of all, I want to start with thanking you personally, Dr. Ruchi, for giving us all opportunity to be part of this amazing course. I have been involved in many different trainings, but nothing has been like this one. And I can say that it is one of the most challenging and at the same time very interesting course. And the challenging moment kept me all the time very inspired to overcome those challenges and learn something new. And behind the course, I want to say that your course came very timely in my life because I was reconsidering changing my profession a little bit, but I needed someone support for that. And when I found out about this course, I was like, maybe I can learn something here that will help me to strengthen my ideas and make my projects real. So thank you very much. And you taught me how to think more and how to strategically think about more about the projects, not about the technologies. And thank you for this very much.
Thank you so much, Mariam. And next we have Mariam. We really look forward to seeing you more often and probably even learning from you because you have an
I hope so.
amazing
I
thought
hope
process. Yes.
so. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Next we have Mayank. Mayank, are you there?
No.
Free Fire.
No, he is not there. All right. He had commented that it would be the time.
When you put photos at this, then Free Fire will come.
Divyam, I don't know how to put Free Fire. Can you please ask Abhay?
Then can you put photo?
It's already off. I can't put it on now.
Then put just photo. Then just put some photos.
Divyam, I'm in the class. Can you please be quiet?
Just put some photo.
Not now. Okay. Next we have Palak. Palak,
Hello,
where are you?
hello everyone.
Yeah, there you are, Palak. Hi. Good to see you.
Hi. Hello, ma'am. Same here. First of all, I want to thank to Ruchi ma'am for this amazing opportunity. It was one of the best learning experiences of my life, and learning from all the experts from all over the world in just one course was amazing. And I'm excited to apply all my knowledge from this course in my projects. Thank you, ma'am.
I don't know how to put Free Fire. God, can somebody please help him? Abhay Dada knows it. I don't know it. Can you please ask Abhay Dada? Type where? I don't know where to type.
Play Store, Play Store.
What is the spelling?
Ma'am, just open Play Store and
Play Store, there's a game named Free Fire. It's around 580 MB.
It's coming. I'll wait for you.
Amit is always here to help.
I'm so sorry. Okay. The next we have is Rabin Oja from Nepal.
So am I audible?
Hold on, Rabin. Let me put on your certificate first. There you go. And let me find you in the group. Where you are, there you are, and let me pin you. Yes, please.
So am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
So yeah, thanks to Dr. Ruchi and entire Care Robotics team for such an amazing course during these 30 days. I had this kind of affinity for drones related activities and particularly for using drones for humanitarian purpose. I think this course, it helped me raise that my affinity for humanitarian activities. So I look forward to explore more in the future days. So yeah, thanks to everyone. Thanks to the entire classmates. Yeah.
Thank you.
Can you put playing Free Fire? Please.
Divyam, I'm getting really angry. Okay? यहाँ पे क्लास चल रही है और यहाँ पे डाउनलोड हो रहा है. You have to wait. Yes. Now you take this to Abhay Dada, please. He knows how to set it up. Please go. Yes, please. Okay. So next we have Radhika Patel. Radhika, are you there?
Yes.
Great.
Am I audible
Hold
to
on.
everyone?
Just hold on, Radhika. So there's a certificate, and where are you? There you are. Hey, Radhika.
Hello everyone. I would like to thank Ruchi ma'am for offering this opportunity to learn about drones. This was an amazing experience for me to learn. And I also want to thank the other team members of K Robotics for managing all this stuff so perfectly. I appreciate. And I also want to thank our team members, all the participants. I want to congratulate everyone. Thank you for making this interesting and knowledgeable atmosphere for learning. This was an amazing experience for me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Radhika. And the next we have Rajashri Dahal.
Am I audible?
Just wait, Rajashri. Let me open the certificate first. There you are. So there's the certificate, Rajashri. And where are you?
Here I am.
Yeah, there you are.
First of all, I would like to thank Ruchi Saxena ma'am for coming up with this amazing course and the entire team of K Robotics and Cosmic Tech for providing me with this opportunity to be a part of the course. And to all the speakers who have come up with different insights regarding the application of drones for development. These 30 to 40 days would not have been as productive in the absence of this course. So I would like to thank all my virtual classmates for making this possible. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And next we have Lakshya Shrestha. Lakshya, can you see my screen? Are you there? Okay. Lakshya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
There you are. Great.
Namaste, everyone. I'm Raksha. Firstly, I would like to thank Ruchi ma'am and K Robotics for providing me with scholarship for this course. I came to know a lot about drones and its application, and it is my first ever online course experience, and it turned out to be amazing. And it had been a really fruitful month in this lockdown. Thank you.
बेटा ये जब ग्रीन सर्कल पूरा हो जाएगा तब आएगा. Thank you so much. And now we have Samiksha Gautam. Samiksha, are you there? Is Samiksha there in the class?
No.
Okay. Next we have Sandeep Kannan. Sandeep, are you there?
Yeah, he is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I would like to say Sandeep is also one of my earliest supporters, and he has always been around. I've never met him, maybe. Sandeep, have you met?
Yes, ma'am.
But
New Delhi.
he's always around. He's always around. In all the workshops or anything, he always helps out. So, Sandeep, please.
Good evening, everybody. I will utilize this platform to thank everyone. Thanks to Ruchi ma'am for giving me this platform to learn a new thing. Thanks to all the coordinators, Amit Lal and Saksham Madan, and all the classmates for supporting and coordinating. It was a very great learning experience for me, and I learned how to tackle some real world problems using drones and would use in my future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sandeep.
Thank you, ma'am.
And next we have Stuti Kafle. Stuti, are you
Hello.
there?
Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Just a minute. So this is a certificate. And let me pin you on the screen. Where are you? There you are. Hey, Stuti.
Hello. Thank you, Dr. Ruchi and the Care Robotics team for the opportunity. I would like to thank all the speakers and my classmates. This course has totally broadened my vision. I imagined being a CEO, a leader. I designed my own logo and even made an awareness video. So thank you so much for the creative content. I hope this kind of course continues and other people also get the chance to be part of this amazing course. And thank you so much for acknowledging our efforts. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Stuti. And the next we have hold on.
No, hold on.
Next we have Swaraj Kulkarni.
Yeah, he's there.
Okay, just hold on.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you, Swaraj?
There is.
Hey, hi, Swaraj.
All right, yes. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you're audible.
Am I audible? Okay. Hello, everybody. Firstly, I want to tell you how amazing person Ruchi ma'am is. Actually, we met around a few months ago in Mumbai. So after that meeting, instantly I was a fan of her and her initiatives, her work that she's doing and she will be doing. And after that, she and even till now, she's like my mentor, and she has guided me through various challenges I am facing and I have faced in my past. And Ruchi ma'am, I heartily thank you for adding me to this course and so many new ideologies. Getting motivated with all these speakers, it really helped me to develop my vision.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Swaraj. So about Swaraj, I'll tell you that when I met him, he wanted to teach young students, and he was already doing amazing job in his engineering college. And I said, fine, you take the opportunity, do whatever you want. Let me know what you want to do. And then he comes up with a new idea that he wants to turn around the manufacturing situation in our country. And with that, he means that everybody's assembling drones, but we are still depending on different countries for import of raw materials. Now what he's up to is trying to make these motors and spare parts of drones in India so that these are available at a very affordable rate for everybody. Thank you so much, Swaraj, for being an awesome person. Great.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next we have Shweta Jha. We've already given it to her. So yes, these are the graduates of today, and I'll be waiting for others to complete their assignments. Oh, we have Mayank. Welcome back, Mayank.
Yeah, he's back.
Hold on. I'll show you
I
your
actually had
certificate.
to duck out from work really early.
Okay. Mayank, here's your certificate. It's ready.
Yeah.
Okay, Mayank. So we need a half a minute acceptance speech from you.
Oh, thank you so much. So, I really want to thank Dr. Ruchi, Ahmed, and the entire team for organizing this course. I mean, I was really interested by the topics, and the moment I saw it, I knew I had to join, even though it was the second day of the course already. And I was also suffering with pneumonia, kidney stones, whatnot, and it was a very grilling course. It was not an easy course. It was not a regular format, but I'm very glad it was a very rewarding experience. And yeah, I'd also like to thank all the amazing classmates that we had. I mean, just seeing the people share their experiences and their hard work on the stream was very motivating to keep at it and the assignments. And I think it was a very nice community. I loved the discussions, amazing speakers. And yeah, it's just motivated me more to start something in India in the drone ecosystem and kind of give back to this community and to pursue humanitarian goals in the future. So thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Mayank. And we also have Kshitij Gupta who's back. Kshitij, this is your certificate.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you?
Hello, ma'am, and good evening.
Can we see your video,
Yeah.
Kshitij?
No, ma'am, no. Actually, I'm not in situation to open my camera. And that is why I'm on. So I'm just speaking. Okay. So good evening, ma'am, and good evening, my friends. And I'm really enjoyed this journey, and I also happy to be the part of this community. And I'm really enjoyed this course, and thank you so much, Ruchi ma'am, for selecting me for this course. And I hope to work with you in the future also. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kshitij. Do we
Thank
have
you, ma'am.
anybody else who's left out for getting a certificate? Annie, you are very close to getting your certificate. I think you just have a couple of more assignments left, and you are doing amazing assignments. I really love reading what you write in your assignments.
Thank you.
So as soon as you complete, I'll definitely send out certificates to you. And anybody else who's still remaining, Ramesh and everybody else, you will get your certificates when you complete your assignments. All right. So this is it. We are at the end of the graduation ceremony, and this floor is open for you to talk to each other.
Yes, miss.
Great. So tell me, who has plans lined up? So somebody who's going to use whatever knowledge we shared and do something with it immediately, or who has already started doing it.
I think I'm already started doing it.
Yeah.
I need some sleep. Yeah, he remains active on LinkedIn, and we keep interacting about stuff, and he's actually a person who's very much into the thing, and is deeply motivated with that.
Indeed. So we're missing Saksham out here. I think he must be busy.
Let me give him a call.
Yes. All right. And who else wants to, I mean, seriously, about drones as well? Who's planning to start a career in drones?
Me, I'm trying to, but The problem, Dr. Ruchi, is not just an idea. I have ideas. When I make it as a plan, it looks still nice, but it's so difficult to find right people, like enthusiasts who will be part of your team and work as hard as you work on it.
I agree with you,
Because
Mariam.
it is so hard because when I work on a project, I'm entirely devoted to it with my passion, with my time. But to me, timing is nothing. Like I can work for hours, but it's so hard to find good team members. So I have this problem in this country.
So I think this is a problem universally. Finding good team members who can walk hand in hand with you and shoulder your responsibilities is extremely difficult to find. But
It's very
you
difficult.
have a community around you. We all are amazing people.
I know.
Make us your co-founders.
Yes, I know.
Of course, we would love to.
You know, finding money is not difficult. It's finding people is very difficult for me in my case.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
So, what do you guys suggest? Should we kind of become a consortium of partners across the globe and do something together?
Yeah, I think that will be really great because
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, of course, it
even
will be a
from the
pleasure.
Village Reach lecture,
Of course.
there aren't so many successful business models out there yet. It's still a very young industry, and I think this platform gives us a very nice network to see and learn from each other's mistakes, successes, failures, and discussions. And I think going forward in the next 5-10 years, that will be a very rich knowledge pool to kind of just stay in touch and to see.
Absolutely. So I would also like to
Yes, ma'am.
invite all of you to, become trainers or become knowledge experts, and we can host your courses the way we hosted this course. We can host exclusive courses for you for whatever days you want, 3 days, 7 days, 16 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. So if you are sure and confident about a subject, just let me know, and we would co-host a particular course, and I would love to do that with you. Keep me informed what exactly your plans are and how we can partner up. I'll be extremely happy to partner with all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I would love to work with you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Love to work with you. Me as well. As much as I can contribute, even as a volunteer, I would love to help.
Yes, same here, ma'am.
I'd love to learn from you, ma'am.
I think Shweta was asking me, can I work for you? I said, I don't have employees. I never hire employees. I only hire partners. So in my company, there are no employees, there are only partners. So if you have a plan, you have a partnership proposal, then yes, we can work it together, because I really don't believe that anybody should be an employee. You should all have your own vision, your own track, and somewhere we come together, we solve a problem, and then we go beyond that in our own directions.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have
Maybe
a
in
question
future.
about participation in the India Flying Lab. Like, how is that structured, and how does one become a part of, say, India Flying Labs in the long run? Is it just through association like this, or like what is the overall structure like?
So India Flying Labs is actually an evolving organization. The structure that we had planned initially is still there, that we will collaborate with different organizations and each organization will take its own role. Today, for example, if we have technology partners, we work with them and we tell them that, okay, if we need a drone, then they can provide us a drone. If we need let's say a data product, then they can provide it to us. And then we do the projects together. This is the concept. And in trainings like these, we have the training experts coming in and presenting their topics to us. So this is how again we collaborate. So it's a kind of a goodwill collaboration, goodwill to goodwill collaboration, where people come together, organizations come together, experts come together, and we all keep sharing. So this is an open community as of now. But in the future, even Flying Labs as such is going to restructure itself, and it would become an NGO in itself. It would have its own structure, and it would have its own board. I don't know what the vision for Flying Labs would be like, but then I'm kind of visualizing it would be something like Toastmasters or TED, wherein you can have independent chapters being run by independent teams, and those teams can grow themselves, and everybody has an equal opportunity of growth and representation. That's my idea. So we will be having a Flying Labs retreat in the next few days where all of these plans will be discussed. Then I'll be in a better position to tell you what the structure would appear.
Right.
And for flying labs, especially India Flying Labs, I really want to keep it like an open community, growing community, wherein each team can grow itself.
Sure.
So last year we did come up with the concept of, let's say, have a state-wise flying labs, but even that kind of didn't work out really well because the leadership is lacking. So I realized that first I need to create
Sure.
more leaders, and then I need to give them the charge of leadership.
Mhm.
So I thought that probably it's not we're not there
Exactly.
yet. We need some more work to be done in terms of leadership. More of these workshops wherein I get enough time to work with people's minds and thought processes, then I'll be able to create more leaders. And once I create more
Understood.
leaders and people know me and I know them, then it's easy to transfer the power to everybody. And then, we can go about. So that's the whole
Correct.
plan.
Yeah, because I saw how organizations are associated under India Flying Labs, but I was just wondering if there is room to kind of associate in an individual capacity as a consultant or somehow
Sure, there
with the
is.
Flying Labs as per the new structure as well.
Sure. So Amit over
Perfect.
here
Sounds
doesn't
good.
have a company of his own. So he's always attached to everything that I do. And I always tag him along.
Understood.
And
Understood.
I utilize him to
Perfect.
the fullest of his capacity. So he's extremely supportive. So, I mean, whoever is open for support, I really need support. For example, even running this course, it was almost
Sure.
single-handedly done, right? So, right from organizing everything, taking in people, promoting
Yeah.
it, chatting and assignments and lectures and streaming and question answers,
Yeah.
everything. I am doing everything single-handedly and I'm kind of overpacked. I do need hands. I definitely do need hands. So you all are
Yeah.
welcome to.
I was just wondering if you ended up growing 8 more hands or something.
You learn everything along the way. Yeah? You seriously learn. I've learned so much over the last
Yeah.
few
Sure.
months of lockdown because you have to come up with alternate plans. It's easy to conduct workshops. You go to a place, you have 50 people in a classroom, you eat,
Yeah.
you play, and you go back home. But here, this was completely unexpected and unstructured. So we needed to figure out how to do it, and it took a long time to figure out what
Yeah.
to do, how to do, and then launch the course.
Correct. Correct.
Yes, Aksham.
So
Hello.
this is what it is, and we have amazing experts with us. We have Dilip sir over here, who's an amazing subject matter expert. We had Captain Job coming in. We have Kanan, we have Nikhil. All of these experts are all available to us, and you all have also shared in your feedback forms what you want to learn further. And I would be really interested in. Remember when Dania was here, she was talking about the SRE certification, the GIS certificate from Esri. So I would like to have these kind of certificates available to all of you so that more core subjects can also be taught across. So give me some time, I'll figure it out. And we'll definitely do something together. But you keep suggesting, you keep proposing. I am on WhatsApp. I don't know if you have my numbers, but I'll share it with you. It must be on my email ID and emails that I sent you. So do keep in touch with me. We are on Facebook as well as a group. So let's keep in touch.
Yeah. Sure. Would love to.
Ma'am, Sakshama is coming. Should we wait for a minute?
He's coming? Great, sure. So I'll have to accept him or he has the access. Let me check. You have to say everybody congratulations. They all have certificates today. Can you tell them?
Congratulations.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, please. Oh, Radhika?
Why not silent? Guys, सब लोग silent बैठे हो बोलो कुछ
Hello, Amit sir.
Hello, hello. Yes, yes, hello.
Amit sir, can I
मेरे
ask
कुछ बोलो
Yeah, sure, sure.
I wanted to ask about pilot training, drone pilot training.
Mm-hmm.
Can you suggest me some good training centers or anything?
So basically, if you're in India, then the best suggestion would be go to the dgca.gov.in. There is a list of FTOs. Search for the nearest FTO and get the pilot license from there. That would be the easiest solution for this. And then after that, for advanced trainings and sessions, you can go for 3 days, 4 days piloting courses, but the minimum certification would be from them only.
Amit, I just checked those sites and but I didn't get a response. Would you know what would be the
Basically, it is not updated till now. The course has not started. So very few people like the Bombay Flying Club and stuff, they have started for nano drones. Ultimately, they will coming up with micro and then small and then like larger categories. So at present, I know that nano has been started. Let's wait for the time to pass and then we'll be getting a better course very soon. So Saksham Bhai is back. Not back, rather he joined late.
Sorry.
Hi Saksham, can we please see your video?
Yes, ma'am. Just a second.
Hi Saksham.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello. I'm
Everyone,
really very sorry. about
let's
this.
give one combined clap to Amit and Saksham.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you guys for being such an important support system for me. So we need to have some parting remarks from Amit and from Saksham, one by one.
So Saksham Bhai, you must go first.
Okay. Hi everyone. So this was a great journey actually. Last 30 days, like June 1 to June, last 45 days actually. So let's hope you'll get to know the technology better and better, and also you can be able to apply that knowledge in the regular field, in the in the humanitarian missions or for the society, because that's what's matter. That's what we wanted initially. So so that more and more people can work for society, and I can say the pressure or the technology can reach to the point or to those people who don't have any access to that. So I hope you people will be able to do that, and hope for the best. And I best to I hope you guys achieve whatever you want in this technology, in any technology like that. Amit.
Yeah, sure. So good evening, everyone. This is Amit here, as you know. So this is the last day that we are meeting as a group. I hope that we'll meet again very soon, but I'm not sure. Then talking about all the participants, all were great. The questions and stuff, everything was great. Then mentors were definitely like their case studies and stuff. They were like of very high value. And then the best thing I found out is like people from this group, they started contacting me over email and like LinkedIn. So that is the best. Like people are at least interested in learning. So I also like I'm also a learner. Everyone is a learner. Like what I believe. So that is the best thing I have found. Like I will be getting new friends who are interested, who have similar frequencies, matching frequencies. So ultimately will resonate and then come up with a louder thing. So that's all.
Thank you so much, Amit. Thank you so much, Saksham. And we would like to get one last parting remarks from Dilip.
Ma'am, you are on mic. You are on mute. Sorry.
Manisha Kaki. So we would like to have thank you so much, Saksham and Amit, for your amazing words. And I really hope to see both of you grow extremely well in your careers, and the way you have given back to the society, you would also gain way more in your own careers. Thank you so much. And I would like to have one parting remark from Dilip sir before we leave for the day.
Well, ma'am, what else to say? Wonderful course. Thank you very much. Actually, I said to all of you, I'm involved in, rulemaking and things like that. So any suggestions from you would be really welcome. Say like the work I'm involved in now is, making the national policy for UTM. I'm sure that you have heard of UTM, Unmanned Aircraft Traffic Management System. And also we are working parallel on creating some guidelines for US test sites. So those are just two projects. So we certainly would, keep in touch. Please give your inputs. We can even consider, creating a WhatsApp group and then keep all of us should keep in touch with Dr. Ruchi included, so that we can share ideas and then we can work parallel on making the world a better place, at least for drones, so that we can move together forward, obviously forward, not an inch backward. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So before we leave, anybody has anything to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
I just want to give a compliment to our participants. Like, we had participants from each age group. Everyone was ready to learn. So I just wanted to appreciate the lecture that I just got a thought in mind. Like, we should never stop learning. There are many updates coming in technology and everything. So we should never stop learning. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Radhika. So with this, let's say goodbye to each other for this course, and we promise each other to meet each other again. Bye. Good night.
Bye, everyone.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Nachum this.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye bye.
All of us would be again very will be joining very soon if Ruchi ma'am wants.
Of course.
Thank you, Ruchi ma'am. Thank you, Amit. Thank you, Saksham. Thank you, everyone. I will miss you, everyone. And ma'am, if there will be any opportunity, please remember us. We will do our best to make everything happen, and we will really dedicate it to any work onward. Thank you so much, ma'am. Really, thank you.
Thank you.
Same I can say about me. If I can help you from my country here on a distance, I would love to contribute. And thank you, Amit, very much. You've been always hiding an invisible angel of the group. So thank you for your help and contribution too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So now I have everyone's location. Wherever I'm going, I'll be contacting them.
Okay.
Okay. Amit, whenever you will be in Dharan, please contact me.
Whenever I have a plan to go to Nepal, then Ruchi ma'am will be the first, then you will be the second person to be contacted.
Oh my God.
You can just share your flight plans for approval on the group first.
So at the end of the course, Amit has a travel agency already. So.
So Amit, if you come to Nepal, we have a group called Girls in Tech Nepal. So imagine the number of students you will get in Nepal, and we have.
No, I was
Vinita,
also
how many girls are there in Nepal?
GIT.
Vinita, how many GIT Nepal we have?
Pardon? I didn't get it.
Girls in GIT Nepal would be eager to learn with us.
So I'm not sure, but many of us are interested in this kinds of field. Since we name Girls in Tech, so we'll definitely be showing our dedication in this kind of field.
Definitely.
So yeah, we'll definitely help you. And
so we have a meeting. We have a meeting next week. Vinita with Melisha and
Asta, I guess.
Yeah, and your
yeah.
team. So we will be discussing concrete plans about having these more programs coming to Nepal, and you have seen all the experts who are desperate to come and teach. So we'll definitely be adding some value.
Yeah, amazing. Thank you so much.
Another thing to be pointed out is till now, whatever courses I found, most of them were men, and very few girls in tech were there. Not GIT, rather girls who were emerging into the tech. But here I found a good participation of girls, so at least we have a future where girls are also into the same level at where men are there.
Indeed, Amit. And thank you, Rohit, for your comment. I'll be waiting for you to finish your assignments and give you the certificate.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. I just want to compliment before everyone closes for the day that this course has been.
Show your video while you're talking.
Yeah, I am not in any bad position. Yeah, so I would just like to compliment all of you for the amazing course you have put together. Saksham, Amit, both of them, they've been really helpful clearing our doubts and clearing any kind of questions that we have. The other thing was that, it didn't feel like this course is being conducted for the first time. Everything was so organized and you were so good with the timing. The experts that came in were extremely helpful. And I think one important thing that I'm taking back is it's really important to share whatever knowledge you have, and that's been proven every day in this class. So I'm really great. I'm really happy to be connected with so many people who are like-minded and so happy to share. So really, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rohit. We also look forward to working with you because you have an amazing knowledge in environmental science and the drones applications and remote sensing. And I would really like to, probably host the lecture from you because you seem to have a good knowledge base. We can talk about it offline.
Yeah, definitely. Would be happy to collaborate. Thank you so much, Dr. Ruchi. Yeah.
Thank you, guys. See you soon. Good night.
Final bye for today. We'll be meeting very soon. Bye bye, everyone.
Thank you. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye bye. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
And yes, about the WhatsApp group, I'll create a group and I'll send you the invite. You can join.
That would be great. Sounds really good.
Sure, man. Sure.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
So now